ELM is Australia's only summit for the local emerging leaders of foreign-owned companies. It's been running for over 10 years. We've had almost 2,500 participants from a couple of hundred different multinationals. We're in the fabulous W, the new W, right on Darling Harbour, and we're super excited to be rolling out ELM in 2024 on May 23. So this year's theme is high performance, and we are thrilled to have one of the world's leading experts join us, Andy Meikle. He has been studying high performance in individuals and teams all around the world in every possible context you can imagine.
In addition to Andy, we'll be joined by some of Australia's leading influencers and global business leaders. This is truly an opportunity not to miss.
The stats show that only 12% of executives feel their successors are ready to step up. 83% of those successors, they don't feel ready. And only 6% of organisations believe that they've really got the right things in place to develop their leaders' capability. We need to do something differently to improve those statistics, and that's where ELM fits in.
To all the emerging leaders out there, this is your opportunity to invest in your own network to grow your development and impact in the Australia region. There's a saying now, it's not what you know or who you know even, it's who they know and how quickly they can get you to the information you need in a networked world.
Don't forget, there's an early bird special that finishes on April 5, so now is the best time to secure your seats or a table for your company.
Let's be the change, Australia, that the world needs to see. Let's invest in your growth, your team's growth, your organisation's growth, and growth in society, which is what we're all about at Abundium.